Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the sea grapes more easily fast in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event they call Wheels event, and then in this event you can get new resources that you must have these resources to cook any new special food. And one of these resources is the sea grapes, these plants. You can get the sea grapes at the coral way. So just walk around to this area over here, coral way, and then you can get the sea grapes. You can just simply tap on this pick up button like this, and just like that you will get the sea grapes. And then next just walk around again until you spot the plants that have the gold sparkle like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.